my business listing. Okay, look at this one. Basically, the interface whichever you're looking, I'm actually waiting for the verification code to come to my address so that I can demonstrate some other things for you. Okay, now if you look into the whole interface, we see something. There is something called online digital marketing course Another Kumar here. Okay, this is the name of the business. Okay, whatever the name that you give for the business, so this is the name of the business. Okay, this is basically the name of the business, online digital marketing course Amada Kumar. Okay, this is name of the business. And you see some other options also here. Okay, there is something called home, posts, info, insights, reviews, messages, and we are trying to understand what are all this. Okay, what are all this? Basically there is something called posts. Okay, posts, you click on this post. It is something where you regularly create and update about your business, preferably one update every 7 days. What does it say? If you have a product, to tell to the people and tell people that I have this product, so showcase the product to people and also add the price of the product and describe what this product is all about and hit publish. This is basically posts. Okay, this posts and also the content inside the post, the keyword that is used inside will help the user to show the relevant content to be displayed. Okay, that is number one. So if you have a local business listing, okay, if you have a local business listing, the best option is to update your business information once in every 7 days. Okay, so this helps Google to understand that your business is active. Okay, what kind of post that you can make right now due to the COVID situation? If you have any update about COVID-19, for example, because of COVID-19 we are offering online class, because of COVID-19 we are not taking real cash, we get only transaction, online transaction. Because of COVID-19 we are using only webinar, no real events. So we can give update about all this. Once I get this verification, I can do all this. Okay, I can add an offer. Okay, let me say, for example, we have Durga Puja is coming in Kolkata. Then I can give offer to those people that those people who quit Durga Puja and attend my session will get 5,000 rupees extra fees, not discount. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so adding an offer. Okay, you can tell people that hey, you know what, this is the real price and this is the offer price which I'm offering. Okay, and you can add update about your business. Okay, let me say you have a new client and the client is very satisfied and the client wants to publish this content. Okay, so you can add an update that hey, I have a client who is 100% satisfied and he get the better results. Okay, now I can add an update. I can add an event. Okay, if there is a program that is going to happen on next Saturday and Sunday, I can add it as an event so that when people search event nearby, my event will be showing, people can sign up. If I have a product to sell online, I can add it as a product, but everything is considered as a post only. Okay, so COVID-19 update, add offer, add update, add event, add a product, everything is considered as a post only. Okay, now there is a next section called info. Okay, understanding the info section. This info section is going to completely accommodate your business information. Name of the business, there's a pencil icon where you can click, you can edit the name of the business and apply. Be very careful. Never ever edit your business name again and again and again and again. At the max, you have an opportunity to change it only 3 times. But if you are doing it beyond 3 times, then you are in the hit list and Google may suspend your business and they may turn a deaf ear toward your business. Okay, then no other go. Now, this is basically the category of your business. Okay, and the location, okay, where you are right now, how are you serving your businesses. I serve throughout India, my business hours. Okay, if I have any special hours to operate, for example Saturday Sunday I don't work, but still if I work on a couple of hours on Saturday and Sunday, I will add special hours there. Okay, this is my contact number where people can contact me. This information will be submitted when you are creating this local business listing itself. Okay, now there is a free website that is given by Google to run my business website. Okay, so where people can explore my business information from here. Okay, I can add products, You can add the services and highlights about the business and different service options like online classes and other stuff. Okay, so this is with respect to info, the information related to your businesses. Okay, so you have to give it a try by adding one after another. Okay, when I try to add one after another, then that will be very easy for you, but I want you to kickstart. Okay, the next option we have is insights, which is basically used to better understand the performance of your website. Okay, how people come to your website, what keyword did they search, to whom the content was shown, and all the details. Because this is a new business listing, you might not be able to see those insights. Okay, but I can log into a different account, I can help you to see that. Okay, and reviews, how people feel about your business. Are you really doing good? The reviews are generally from 1 star to 5 star, where 1 star is very worst, 2 star is like okay, 3 star is good, 4 star is better, and the fifth star is the best. That's what we can consider. When somebody gives a 5 star rating for you, awesome, you got a wonderful 5 star rating, the best services you are offering. When you get a 4 star rating, great, you are getting the good service from the people, right? So you can get that. So 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. So 5 star rating can also happen. Okay. Now there is something called messages. This is when people can connect with your mobile number and people can send you a text message through SMS. Okay, and you can reply to those people through message by linking your phone number and also your Google account. Okay, photos is a section where you can add information about your businesses into this particular category. Okay, you can add your photos, your video, your working photos, your team photos, okay, and different stuff. Products is basically, if you are a e-commerce based company, you can add a different product. What are the product you sell? For example, me, I sell SEO training, SEO training, digital marketing training, email marketing training, affiliate marketing training. So I train people on these topics, and these are all my products, and I'll be adding it along with the price and all this stuff. Okay, the option to add all this will come after verifying my business. Okay, I have something called services, which means like what are the services I do offer. Okay, and the location or the category also I can add. So training center, so primary category is training center. I can also add another business category. There is something called service. Under the service I can add custom services. Okay, add custom services. I will try to see. Okay, there is an option now where I can add digital marketing course. This is custom services. Let me say online digital marketing course. Why I'm taking online? Because people who want to come directly to me, I don't encourage them. Okay, online digital marketing course, number one. The next one is like online SEO course training. I can also add the word training here. Okay, because people may search online digital marketing training or online digital marketing course or any combination. Online SEO course training. I can also add it like online search engine optimization course training. Okay, so these are like little global. Okay, I can also add other custom services, which means these are the services I'm offering to people. Okay, I even train people on SEM, search engine marketing, Google ads. I can offer online youtube optimization course. This is one, and I can still add more. Okay, it says add custom services. So whatever the services which I'm offering, I can add it. Okay, there is one more thing, online affiliate marketing course. Now let me save it. Now these are the services which I am offering. Okay, when I say product, I can also add the product and also price towards it. Okay, I can add another category also. I'm a training center. I can also tell people that I'll try with the trainer option. Okay, dog trainer, horse trainer, personal trainer. Okay, women's trainer, train ticket, traditional. No, so I'll be also freelance supplier, freelance shop, freelance manufacturer. No, I'm not a shop or a manufacturer. I can add a category like course. It says golf course or stuff. Okay, no. So I will try with the digital marketing nothing is there. So I can go with online classes, online online share trading center. No, so nothing fits me, so I'm not going to add anything extra. Okay, now like this, there is an option called website where I go here. Okay, I click on this website option, and basically to get started, if I have a website of my own, okay, I will go ahead and connect it. Okay, what Google says, I have a amadhukumar.com domain with Google domain registered. It says to connect amadhukumar.com with this one. No, I already have amadhukumar.com live, so I do not want to connect with this particular one. But Google is giving me online digital marketing course training center.business website. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this. It is very long. I do not want to have online digital marketing course training business website. Okay, what I can do, I can say Amadhu Kumar, okay, hyphen, okay, Amadhu Kumar, or I can say trainer Amadhu Kumar, trainer Amadhu Kumar or business website. I will change it. If it is available, it will be changed. See, my goal is to have my domain name very short. Okay, so this is basically the free website which Google is, like offering once you are listing your business in Google. Okay, you can go to the theme option. You can little bit customize it with a different content. Okay, like the color combination, whichever you like the most. Select any color of your choice. Go with orange, go with white, or go with the retro color or the luxe color. Okay, dusk. Okay, let me go with the dusk by default. The website is live. Now what happens, based on the information I updated, my website will be displayed to people. Okay, click on view site. You have a free website with you. Okay, now you can go upload the photographs, change the content inside. Professional digital marketing trainer. So this is the content. I can add more photos also. I can remove photos. I can call now, add business hours. Once it is verified, my Google map result also will be shown. So this is basically a simple website that Google is giving for business to develop. Okay, but if you have your own website, what you can do, you can go to the website section. Okay, and instead of showing this website, you can go to the info section. So there is a section called info. Under the info section, okay, instead of the website whichever you have right now, you can edit it and put your own website. For example, I have amadhukumar.com, so I will put https://www.amadhukumar.com. So this is how I will add my personal website into this one. Else I will leave with the free website offered by Google. Okay, so this is your choice, right? But you can link, like Mr. Raju asked yesterday, you can link your domain name with this particular local business listing. Okay, this is one option. And apart from the website, we have something called users, where you can click on this users option and you can add somebody as a manager for your business. We can give access to other people so that in your absence or you are busy, somebody can manage your business listing and all the options. Okay. Why does the users take more time? Okay, so you can add users is what we can understand. And create an ad that's beautiful. Okay, so Google My Business Listing has integrated with Google advertisement platform to give you an advertisement account for you. But the account that you are creating here is going to be a Google Ads Express account. Can you see here the highlight? Okay, Google Ads Express, which means this is a Google Ads Express account which will be created for those people who don't have any knowledge about advertisement campaigns. This is called Google Ads Express. What we are seeing is called Google Ads Express. Okay, so but you have to switch it to Google Ads Expert mode. Okay, but that is a different scenario. We are not going to touch Google advertisement right now, but still understand that there is an option to run Google Ads using Google local business listing. Okay, and another option we have is the get custom Gmail, which means I have my email address as admin@amadhukumar.com. If you see here, you can see admin@amadhukumar.com. Okay, which is basically a custom email address. Okay, so though I use Google services, I can have an email address of my own custom. So this is basically called the G Shoot program. Okay, Google has got a program called the G Shoot where you can go ahead and get the complete things being done. Okay, so I already have one, so I'm not moving out with this one. I'm just giving you introduction to this. If you have a second business to add, click on add a new location. and start adding a new location here by entering your business name and all that stuff. So you can add more than one business with respect to Google My Business listing. Okay, you can add more business. That's one option we have. And if you have multiple businesses, you can manage those businesses through manage locations. Okay, verify the locations. You can also link more than one account with each other. That is your choice. So linked accounts, and basically the settings that you want to do with your account. My English settings, okay, importings and all of the stuff. Okay, so basically this is a new account, and that's the reason it is being showing like this. Okay, when it's a new account, my account is not yet verified. That's the reason it is showing like this. For information, now I'm going to switch to another account, okay, where I have a local business listing already created, and that account is doing pretty good. Okay, the same information, how does it look like with the existing account? Okay, let us see. Okay, so because of my relocation and all this stuff, there's something called Amadou Kumar online digital marketing course. That's a business here like this. Okay, now you see the same business listing. Okay, it is shown here, the home, the post that I have created, the services I have created. Take some time to load. Okay, let us wait. And the one thing that I can show you here is the insights. Okay, so what people are like looking at your content. I think it takes some time to display this. Okay, let me directly get into the insights. Okay, now you see, when I see insights, it is telling me that 87 people have come to my website by searching digital marketing course in Chennai in the last 1 month. 37 users have come to my website by searching digital marketing course, online digital marketing courses in Chennai. So people are searching about digital marketing course, digital marketing courses, business courses online, digital marketing course details, and my website are always shown to people. Okay, few people have directly come and people have searched. So people are exploring my business. 96.5% of people are exploring my business only through Google by searching online. Okay, so online digital marketing course training in Chennai. Okay, so my website is ranking for the right keywords. Okay, because it is named such a way and it is optimized such a way. Okay, this can give me information about the graph, how many times it is shown on Google search result, how many times it is shown on Google Maps when people searched, okay, and what actually happened. Okay, only one person visited my website and nobody called my phone number from the listing. Okay, zero. Okay, so no direction request, nobody have used my local business listing. Total 2 calls were made out of the whole show. Total 2 calls were made, and the photos whichever I had it. Okay, I have added almost photos, and people have visited 150 times the photos which I uploaded. Okay, it was viewed by 150 people. Okay, then Google is asking me to add more photos with the quality and businesses. I am actually photo quality, the number of photos that appear on our business compared to other photos, customer photos, owner photos. Okay, so I am uploading more photos, but my customer photos are very less. Only one customer photo is there, but other businesses, okay, they have 3 customer photos. So other businesses like me are not uploading photos, but I am uploading decent photos. Okay, these are the few things that we can understand. Okay, we can go to the review section and see what are all the like feedback that people have given. Okay, there's a guy named Naresh Babu, Sri Shiva, HOD OM, okay, and Priya Prabhu. Okay, so these people, so most probably I get lots of reviews for this business because I'm handling the all India international digital marketing seminar. Okay, international digital marketing seminar for Bharatiya University, the 10 days program. So the people from those program has expressed their ratings and reviews. Okay, that's really good. Okay, so there are several reviews that I have shared. Robin Mathif, Tanya has has given a wonderful rating like this. Coming across Amadou Kumar sir is not only a fortune opportunity, but also it breaks the stereotype that one has to be long technical. Okay, there's a lot. Thank you, Tanya, for sharing this one. So we can look at people's ratings, reviews, things that they do, and we can better understand about all this. Okay. So once you go here, how does a website look like? The website that is given by Google for free. How does this look like? You can check it out here. Okay, see, Amod Kumar online digital marketing course or business website. Click on the view site option, and this is how it will be looking like. So Amod Kumar online digital marketing course training in Chennai, and you see the photograph whichever I have. You can see my HR person standing on the left side of the photo, Fatima here, and Arvind is my older student. Mr. Sindhi is also available. So these are the people who attended one of my a seminar which I had in my office in Gindi location. Okay, so we just took one snap. Updates about the business. Okay, I said like we are offering online classes for all training sessions related. That was done on September 12th, 2020. Okay, so you can see all this course, details, the information that is being uploaded here. Okay, so you can see I offer the course on the course fees, something like this. Okay, if you go with the modules, you can go with the small fees, and the ratings and reviews becomes a testimonial in this website automatically. Okay, and the photos that I uploaded, these photos that I took it from the engineering college, SSN engineering college. Okay, so I have photos uploaded so people can look at this. So this is a wonderful catalog. All these photos are uploaded, and my local business listing is given, my address is given, my business hours is given, my phone number is given. Okay, so all these things are given. Okay, which people can like call me, they can get the direction, come to my location. When they click on direction, the Google map will open and it will come to my Google Maps location. People can navigate, they will reach my office and they discuss with me. There is one such option we have. Okay, so Google My Business has got lots of option. I showed you a new account, and I'm showing you the existing account which is live, which is driving visitors. Okay, so once you have information like this, what you can do, your website will be explored by people. So people tend to explore your business, and you will attract the right audience for your business. Okay, and we'll be having a huge revenue generated in the process. Okay, the whole show is the same thing that we are going to do. Okay, so this is basically the local business listing option we have. Okay, if you have any doubts in this, you can just raise